Hi guys, this is Rajesh back again with another Pokemon Go video. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest version of PG Bot, which is working with latest API. Also guys, if you want to stay updated with all the bot news and other Pokemon Go updates, then I will recommend that you must join me on my sponsored Discord channel, that is Pokemon Master. This Discord channel is completely based on Pokemon Go bots, cracks, API hashing keys. You can get API hashing keys absolutely free from this Discord channel. They have a separate section for API hashing keys. You can also get coordinates of rare Pokemons and Pokemons of 100 IV. You can also download the correct version of latest bot from this Discord channel. The link of the Discord channel will be in the description. Also guys, you can win a level 30 Pokemon Go account if you join this Discord channel by using my link. As soon as you will click on the link, you will be redirected to this channel. Now here you have to comment @dailyhackers I am up, and when you will do that, then you will enter a giveaway of level 30 Pokemon Go accounts. So I hope you guys join this Discord channel. So this was all about this Discord channel. Make sure you join this Discord channel. So with that being said, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on video notification. It will notify you of all the latest update that I am going to do in future. Also guys, if you are interested in buying cheap Pokemon Go account, then I highly recommend that you buy from flameaccounts.com. Their accounts are really cheap. Not only this, they also offer account boosting feature in which you can get a specific item or a Pokemon which you cannot find in your area. So I really like this website, and if you guys are interested, then go ahead and click on the link given down in the description. Also guys, don't forget to use discount code hackers to get flat 20% off on any purchases. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to download the PG Bot and the API license key from the links given down in the description. So once you have downloaded it, go ahead and open PG Bot. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is click on forum and create a new account on PG Bot forum, because then only you will be able to use the bot. So once the page will open, go ahead and click on sign up. Now scroll down and then click on no thanks, continue without purchasing. Now enter all your details here and then create your account. So once you have created your account, go ahead and enter all your details here and then click on login. Also make sure that this option is always checked in your bot. This will ensure that bot will automatically close if Niantic updates the game. Also guys, here you can see that the bot is running on the latest API, so you don't need to worry. Go ahead and click on login. So once you will log in, a screen like this will appear. Now here you have to enter all your details. You can either choose from Google or PTC account. In my case, I have entered the details of my PTC account. Now if you want to set proxy, then you can fill out the proxy here. Now here you have to enter the coordinates of the place from where you always play Pokemon Go. Now in this section you have to enter the API hashing key that you have already downloaded from the links given down in the description. Now go ahead and click on login. So guys, this is not going to be a fully detailed video. If you want to see the video in full detail, then you can watch out my previous tutorials on PG Bot. The link of that video will be in the description. You can check it out if you want to see a full tutorial. I will just cover up the basic things because this is just an update video. So once you will log in, you will see the map of the area of which you have entered the coordinates. You will be also able to see all the Pokestops and the Pokemons nearby. In the My Account section, you will be able to see all the details of your account. If you will click on Manage Account, then you will be able to see all the Pokemons that you have, all the items that you have, and your Pokédex. You can also transfer your Pokemons or recycle your items. So as I already told you, this is just an update video, so I'm not going to cover up these things. Now in the settings section, you have to check all those activities that you want your bot to do. In my case, I will just check the transfer Pokemon option. Also guys, I'm not going to cover the advanced settings option because I have already covered this step in my previous video, and the update hasn't changed the settings. So all the settings are same as they were in the last video. So you can check out that video. The link will be in the description as I already told you. Now go ahead and click on start. So as soon as you will click on start, the bot will start moving. So here you can see that the bot is catching Goldeen. In the log section, you will be able to see all the activities that your bot does. So guys, this was all about the latest version of pgbot, which is working with latest API 0.63.1. Also guys, don't forget to like this video, and also if you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe right now. Let's see that whether we can get 75 likes on this video or not. And as always guys, my name is Prayush and I'm signing out.